Brother Barnes, General Biology 2 Lab Low Tech Review. What is an example of a typical autotroph, self-feeding producer? These animals are close to extinction. What do we call them? The most dangerous to biodiversity. This would be like making new housing complexes and carving up the countryside. This biome is cold, coniferous, has, spruce trees all in it. Low rainfall. What would you call this? Give me a link to the proper pronunciation of that word, by the way. This biome has the highest biodiversity.